Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So in this channel, I share with you a lot of my home decor DIYs that I make from Dollar Tree. I love to make DIYs on a budget. So if this is something that interests you, I'm gonna ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So I'm going to be doing a two-part series in my fall decorations. I didn't want a video to be too long, so I'm going to break it up in two. In this video, I'm going to start by showing you my fall decorations for my front porch and then into my foyer. Some of these items I DIY'd and then some items I purchased from Dollar General and just different stores like that. And then in the second video, I'll be showing you all the fall decorations in the inside of my home. All right, so if you're ready, let's go ahead and start with my front porch. All right, see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so this is my front porch, and I apologize, the sun was so bright, it was kind of hard to film. But let me go ahead and start with my floor mat. Now this one that says, "Welcome to our home," I purchased this at Dollar General, and I absolutely love it with that red truck and that little dog by the window. And then over to the side, I have this planter that I also DIY'd, and I have a pumpkin there with some flowers, and it's sitting underneath this bench that I also DIY'd a while back. I will be putting all the links to all these DIYs down in the description box. And then sitting on the bench, I have a couple of items that I DIY'd. This first one here is this Scarecrow, and she's called Miss Blessed. And then I have this other Scarecrow that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And then next to it, I have a smaller Scarecrow that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and they're all sitting on the hay bale that I also DIY'd. And then just right above them, I have this tin box that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I added some very colorful fall flowers, and they're from Dollar Tree. And then sitting underneath is my other Scarecrow, and this is Mr. Harvest, and this is another one that I DIY'd. These DIYs were all made with Dollar Tree items. Although these flowers are from Dollar Tree, they do look so pretty in this box. And it just goes to show that really it doesn't take much money to decorate your home and make it look very nice for the fall. Now just above the box, I do have this sign that I also DIY'd that says, "Please hide packages from husband." I know this is not a fall item, but I think it looks really nice and it's staying there for a while. Now on the opposite side, I have this giant welcome sign, and I also DIY'd this, but I don't have a video for it. And sitting in front of the welcome sign are these two wooden crates, and I have some pumpkins and also this jack-o'-lantern that I also DIY'd. And this one lights up at night. And to the welcome sign, I added this garland with fall leaves. As you can see, I used a lot of traditional fall colors for my porch. And for my front door, I hung this rake that I DIY'd. I didn't want to have a traditional wreath, I wanted something different. So I created this using all Dollar Tree items. And so this is how I decorated my front porch. I apologize once again, the glare of the sun is pretty strong. Okay, so now let's go inside. So here in my foyer, I have a couple of wooden chairs. I purchased these in an antique fair. They were a dark brown color and I painted them white. And sitting beside them, I have this lantern, and this I purchased at Lowe's on clearance. And then I have some pumpkins and also this really pretty fall truck pillow that says Happy Harvest. And I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. By the way, that light orange pumpkin is real and I absolutely love it. Now underneath, I do have this basket here that I purchased at Dollar General. I just thought that it was really pretty and I just decided just to put it underneath the chairs. In my foyer, I don't have a wide wall. I only have small ones, but I did want to decorate one wall, and this is how I decorated this one. I wanted to give this a farmhouse look. Now, I purchased this at Dollar General, this round mirror. I hung it up here. I think it looks very nice, and it was small enough for this small space. And then underneath, I put this wooden shelf that also I purchased at Dollar General. And then the items sitting on the shelves are from the Target dollar spot. I have this really pretty white farmhouse and then my beautiful fall truck. I absolutely love, love, love this truck. And then I hung this sign that says Give Thanks, and it has a tin truck. Now this I purchased at Dollar General as well. I'm telling you, Dollar General has really nice fall decor and also Christmas decor. And then to the shelf, I added this Give banner, and this is something that I also DIY'd last year sometime. Hopefully this will give you some ideas for your foyer. If you have also small walls like I do, maybe this will give you some ideas. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. So please stay tuned for the next video where I'll be showing you all my fall decorations inside my home. So you have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.